but as for it, it won't fall.
I need 2, 3, and 4 to cycle. Two and 4. Just 4.
Ah, it's still open.
It's about to lock.
It's locked.
It's locked and cycled.
Thank you.
How's one?
Open. Open beasters are going right now. Change over the top of the beast from the east.
El Toro. Ole. Ole. You know, I thought the beast of the east was Tatsu. The beast of the west. California.
Whoa! We got a beautiful sunset.
It is beautiful. Calm before the storm.
I like how you can hear the little pulleys just pulling the rope to get to the top. Wow. Just look at shoreline as well. It's amazing. Yeah!
Go.
I saw an airplane. Oh my god, it's a C-130 Hercules. I'm sorry about that. But ladies and gentlemen, that was El Toro. How was it?
Ole.
Ole.
Guys, how was your night? Yay, everyone loved it. Train's unlocked, you can pull up. Oncoming riders! Let's go.